Your flight just got cancelled.
The airline sends you an email. Here's a travel voucher for the full amount, valid 12 months. It feels generous. It is not. It's a trap. Under EU law, you are entitled to a full cash refund back on your card within 7 days. And in many cases, you're owed compensation on top of that. 2 separate payments, not one. Airlines are betting you'll take the voucher. Today you learn why you shouldn't. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute legal advice. Laws vary by country and individual circumstances differ. Always consult a qualified lawyer for your specific situation. The law is EC Regulation 261 from 2004. Article 8. When your flight is cancelled, the airline must offer you a choice, not their choice. Yours. Option 1. A full refund of your ticket, paid within 7 days, in money, cash, bank transfer, or back to your card. Option 2. Rerouting to your destination at the earliest opportunity. Option 3. Rerouting at a later date that suits you. The airline cannot pick for you. And here's the part they hope you miss. If your flight is delayed 5 hours or more, you can walk away and demand that same refund, even if the plane eventually leaves. So where do vouchers fit in? Article 7 of the regulation is explicit. Refunds are paid in money. A voucher is only legal if you agree to it, with your signed consent. Read that again. A voucher requires your written agreement. If the airline's website funnels you toward a voucher without clearly offering the cash option, that is not consent. That's design. During the COVID crisis, airlines across Europe pushed vouchers by default. And the European Commission had to publicly remind them. Passengers keep their right to a cash refund. The law didn't change. It never changed. Let me show you exactly what this looks like in practice. I'm on a real airline's website, and my flight has just been cancelled. Look at this screen. The big bright button says, Accept Travel Credit. The refund? It's this small link down here, the one your eye slides past. I click through to the refund form. Notice how many steps this takes, compared to one click for the voucher. Here, this is the option that matters. Refund to original payment method. That is your Article 8 right. Select it, submit, and screenshot the confirmation page with the date. The 7-day clock starts now. That's the whole trick. The voucher is 1 click. Your legal right is 5. Now you know the way through. Now, the part almost nobody knows. The refund is not your only money. EU law gives you 2 separate pots. Pot 1. Your ticket refund under Article 8. That's your own money coming back. Pot 2. Compensation under Article 7. 250, 400 or 600 euros, depending on distance. That's a penalty the airline pays for the disruption itself. These rights are independent, claiming one does not cancel the other. Picture this. Your 1,800-kilometer flight is cancelled the day before departure, with no rerouting offered. The airline refunds your €90 ticket and considers the matter closed. It isn't. You may also be owed €400 in compensation, more than 4 times the ticket price. The airline will not mention this. Now you will. Here's the process. Step 1. On the airline's website or by email, explicitly request a refund to your original payment method. Use the words refund under Article 8 of Regulation EC 261. Never click Accept on a voucher. Step 2. Screenshot everything: the cancellation notice, your refund request, the date. Step 3. If 7 days pass with no money, write a formal complaint to the airline citing the regulation. Step 4. Still nothing? Escalate to the national enforcement body of the country you flew from. It's free. And separately, file your compensation claim. 2 pots, 2 claims. A voucher locks your money inside one airline, on their terms, with their expiry date. A refund puts it back in your pocket, where it belongs. The law made that choice yours. Don't let a website button make it for them. If your flight was cancelled recently, even months ago, check your emails. If you accepted a voucher you never explicitly consented to, it may be worth challenging. Your money, your choice. Know your EU rights. If this saved you money, the full guides on flight compensation and lost luggage are on the channel. Subscribe. Next time, it's your data they're holding.